I know you want to start your own business and you're wondering you might need a lot of money to do this, especially when you want to do it online. Well, the truth is sometimes you need little to no money to actually start making money today. If someone has told you that before and you think it's not true, what I'm going to prove it to you today, because in this video I'm going to be telling you about 25 businesses that you can start today that you need little to no money to start. My name is Lupe and Brandon, and if you've not already done so, go ahead and subscribe to this channel because I bring you very juicy and valuable content each and every time. I put a lot of work into it. The best you can do is to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and of course, do not forget to hit the bell as well. So that way, when next I drop another content, you'll be one of the very first people to be informed. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about 25 businesses that you can start today with little to no money. You ready? Let's do it. All right, I see you still waiting. It means you really want to know those 25 businesses that you can start today with little to no money down. And some of them, as a matter of fact, do not really require any capital. Some of them require just a little bit of capital. And I will tell you what me and my team actually did this past December. About sometimes in November, we discovered that we can actually try something on Amazon and see if it works. So what did we do? We start to cross-sell between Amazon and Walmart. And check this out, within 30 days, we made well over $39,000, and 20% of that came straight into our pocket. And you can do the same thing. You can actually go on Amazon, see what is selling on Amazon. Okay, now you go on Walmart, get the same product on Walmart, list it on Amazon. When someone buys, you get paid. Well, the problem with that one is you're going to have to buy from Walmart first, and Amazon takes about 2 weeks before they pay you. Well, it may not be that bad if you have just a little bit of capital that you can start with. I did this past December, November, December, and we made $39,000 plus doing it, 25% of which came right into our pocket. So that's one of the business that you can start today with little to no money down. Another one is content creation. By the way, if you have not gotten my videos on how you can fill up your calendar with content that people really want to consume and start making money from that, go ahead and click on the link below this video. It will take you to the page where you tell me that you want that course that I created for over, I sold that for over $900, but I'm going to give it to you for free if you want to go the content creation route. What I'm doing with you right now is content, your YouTube videos, your Facebook videos, LinkedIn, all those things are content. Your blog is content. And of course, if you're into podcast, that is content as well. You can become a content creator and you can actually do that from your phone. You don't have to have a fancy setup like I have over here to start doing that. And you can start making money from that today. Another one that you can do, by the way, if you have not already done so, go ahead and click on the link below if you want that course that I created on how to make money from your content. And of course, I wrote a book as well called Unlimited Content. I'm going to also give that to you for free. So if you want both of those, go ahead and click on it. I mean, listen, I'm not sure why you're not going to want it. It's over $1,000 value for free just for sticking with me this afternoon. Okay. Another one is personal virtual I'll say virtual assistants, right? And a lot of people today do things, offshore, you want to call it, or you want to call it remotely, right? Especially when COVID hits, it allows people to actually see how you can get things done without being physically present. Now, what skill do you have that you think people out there are looking for? There are actually ways to actually search what skill people are looking for. If you go on your Google today, even here on YouTube, if you search, let me say, for instance, how to edit video. If you do not know how to do that, just go ahead and watch a bunch of videos on YouTube just for one day on how to edit video. All right, learn that skill over the weekend, and guess what? You can start making money as a video editor. And I'm not going to lie to you, before my agency actually got really big, one of the things that I struggled with a lot was someone to edit my video. I used to do my video just on Screencast-O-Matic, and I would just edit it myself, and because I didn't have anyone to do it for me, because people pay a lot of money for video editors. So if you do not know what to start doing to start making money, that's one of the things you can start doing today. Go learn how to make use of videos on YouTube that will teach you on how to start editing video. You can become a video editor, and people pay top dollar for that, I guarantee. Another one is event planning services. What does it take to actually start planning events? I know of a guy who makes well over $1 million every year planning events. He did not go to school for that. As a matter of fact, the guy was a physical therapist, all right? He has his bachelor's in physical therapy, but today he makes $1 million and above every year planning events. All you have to do to get that done is get on, Facebook or YouTube or whatever, right? Let's say Facebook Live. Do that each and every day. Let people go to event places, show people event places around town that are very, very nice, and show them they can actually have the event hosted over here. And once you're doing that, people will start asking you questions. If you can help them, ask questions about how they can get the place, and now you can make a deal with the owners of the place, and you stay in the middle and you collect cash. And not only that, remember they're going to need drinks, food, and DJ at the party. You can also be in the middle and negotiate with all of those people and get your commission off of that. That is another one. Event planning is big, and you can actually take it from there and start doing, not just parties and stuff. You can start doing corporate event planning as well. That you can start today as well with no money down. All you need is your video, rather your phone. Go around to event places in town. If you don't know one, Google it. Events, places near me. You know that thing called Google? Yeah, you can make use of it. Just type in event places near me. Go over there, record the videos, review them, tell people the good things about those places and why they should get it. Now you can collect money from actually both ways. You can stay in the middle and get paid off of that. Another one is, what about errand or concierge services, right? People today are very lazy. They do not want to leave their homes. One of the things that make a lot of money right now is actually running errands for people. That's what DoorDash does. If you do not remember, DoorDash is now trading for billions of dollars on the New York Stock Exchange. What they do is run errands for people. They look for someone who wants to buy food, get the food for them, get it delivered to them. You can start the same thing today on your street. You can start in your neighborhood. You can start in your city. And before you know it, maybe this time around next year, you're going to be as big as DoorDash or even bigger than them. The number 5 one, of course, is to be a professional reviewer. Well, are you saying you don't know what to review? Several things you can review. Let me tell you one idea. There was a guy who I told about recording video who was very, very shy to start recording video. You know what he started doing? It would go on YouTube, and let's say people are searching for how to do Facebook marketing, for instance, and it would just review a bunch of videos where they talk about doing Facebook ad, and it will recommend to people that this one right here I think is the best, and you can go ahead and follow this guy or buy this guy course, right? And he gets paid from both ways, from YouTube, from the subscribers, right? And also from referring people to those products, it gets paid as well. That's another one that you can do. By the way, I'm not going to be able to tell you all the 25 in this video because it's going to be freaking long. Here's what I've done. I've been able to put all of this together in a very nicely done ebook, so you can have it in your hand and follow it one after the other. So it's 25 of them that I put in this ebook. If I were to sell it to you, I'm going to sell it for $197. But because you hang with me today and you watch my video and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the bell button, I'm going to give it to you for free. So if you want that ebook containing the 25 businesses that you can start today with little to no money down, go ahead and click on the link below this video and tell me that you want it, and I promise I'm going to send it your way. When next I see you, I want to make sure that you started your business and you start making money. No more complaining. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. What are you waiting for? Click on the link below. I'm not going to give it to everybody. I want to give it to those who are going to make use of it. Click on the link below this video, and I'm going to send you that ebook detailing the 25 business that you can start today with little to no money down.